Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today is day 6 of my Secret Santa swap, what Secret Santa gave to me. And yesterday I opened up the wrong package. Like I found a tree with 22 on it just floating over here. And now I see there's package number 5. So I'm gonna reverse it and just open this on day 22. I hope that's okay, Tracey. But anyway, so let's look for number 6. Number 6. This has been so fun watching everybody's video. Hopefully you guys are following along. I post what I receive in the morning and then I post what I sent in the evening so you can see what I gave my Secret Santa. Look at this. I love this paper. And then again, the beautiful sewing. Christmas greeting. Okay, so because I want to reuse it, I'm going to use this decorative scissors again. Hopefully I don't cut stuff I'm not supposed to. Okay, looks like we're good. Let's see. Ooh, look at these. Oh, thank you so much. I love these chunky glittery bows. Sorry for the glare, guys. Oh, look at that. Well, thank you, Secret Santa. Thank you, thank you. So that was day 6. Watch for tomorrow to see day 7. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please like and subscribe and consider sharing the video for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.